I found your parrot.
I thank you for bringing my parrot back.
The bird wasted no time in telling the Rahab about the wicked plan of his 6 wives. So great was Kara's love for the bird that on hearing this, he sent away 6 queens and told them never to return to the palace again.
Is it true that the princess beyond the sea is more fairer than my 6 wives?
Yes, Your Majesty. But I'm sorry, but the princess is lonely for her wicked uncle doesn't have any friends. And for the world. Her wicked uncle. Her wicked uncle is marrying her to the Black Prince. The Black Prince is an evil and hard-hearted man. You have to save her.
Goodbye. Goodbye.